I've got some old candles that used to be white but have turned yellowish from sun exposure over the years, and I'm gonna freshen them up just by using some leftover Christmas ribbons. You can use whatever ribbons you want. This candle makeover can be completed in just a few minutes tops, costs practically nothing, but totally get the job done. The takeaway from this video is double-sided tape. I had already cut all the ribbons to size so that they can completely wrap around the candle and go over by about a centimeter. And all there is to this candle makeover is using the tape to attach the ribbons. I was quite surprised how well double-sided tape worked in attaching these light, gauzy types of ribbons to candles, and they stay put for months and will not fall off on their own. As you can see, you don't need any special skills, and because there's no glue involved, it's totally mess-free and there's no wait time for the glue to dry. Ta-da! Here's a close-up of the ribbons. What's great about using double-sided tape is that they can stay put, but at the same time easily peel off without damaging the candles or the ribbons if you need to adjust and reattach the ribbons. Also, if you just want to switch out the ribbons for a new look next year or redecorate the candles for a different holiday, that can be done in a cinch. What I'm not sure of is how well the tape will work on ribbons made of heavier materials. Now I've got some glassware that I never use and I decided to put the candles in them, but just putting in the candles alone didn't look good. I think a layer of gravel or pebbles underneath the candles would have looked nice, but I didn't have any of those. What I had were some mini Christmas ornament balls, so that's what I used. By the way, I love these flameless candles and the fact that you can turn them on or off with the remote.